Hello, my YouTube peeps. Welcome to the shed where we dick around. Hence the name, Dickin' Around in the Shed. Run that intro on the... Welcome to Blue Bike and Doyle channel to the shed. The shed is where we dick around in. Hence the name, title, Dickin' Around in the Shed. Run that intro. Notice the new board. If you want to send me something, how to do it's down in the description. But today we got something I bought because I'm not sponsored by them. But hey, there's not many. Well, there's a couple of Moto Horn videos out there because I was looking to see if there was. So Moto Horn, air horn, womp womp, womp womp. Yeah. So I done got 90% of it done, but I'll show you where we at. So come along over here, over to the bike. All right, you get a relay. You get a relay. And all right, the 1.0s Moto Horn. I noticed a lot of them had to make their own little brackets. Moto Horn, the one I bought, I think it was like $89 or something. But it comes with a bracket and a relay and some wire. All black. Who sends? Oh, that's my test light. I was trying to find a ground. Yeah, all black. You get some wires. And you get the horn. Womp womp. Trumpet horn. I'm not too happy about where it was at because when I seen one of these, one of the guys from the had it on, but he had it on his trike and he had it mounted on the front. And you really couldn't see it, but I don't like it on the front, so I'm gonna put mine where the old horn is, and hence where I'm at now. So pretty much you just need the way I'm doing it. Pretty simple. You get a relay. Need a relay. I get that, yeah. So, y'all know I'm a fabricator. So I fabricated this thing right here. And it's called the horn mounting bracket to mount to the stock horn cover location. Hence the name, horn mounting bracket dealio. And here's the compressor. And then they send you silver bolts, but I got a can of black paint, so same way with this, it's silver. So I kind of painted it black. So put them over there. And so ½ inch 7/16. You need a yeah, I thought I did. And it's got a notch here on it. Notch here on it. Notch here. So you can stick this in there. And put it through here. Oh, I'm doing it backwards. Come on now. Really? You recording? Yep. See you blinking. I can't get the nuts. Just get it started good. Slip it into this notch here. Take your ½ inch wrench and you crank her down. And I drop my wrench. You know what? This is final assembly, Loctite. So I'm gonna Loctite it Get me some Loctite tread sealer here. Set that there. Pop that off. Give it a little turn to get it going. Some blue Loctite on it. Come on now. And then you take your boat back on. Tighten it down with your 1/2 wrench. Alright. Yes. That might have been metric, but anyway. So now that needs to be clean. Let me clean this thing. Alright, we got it clean. Now we can take our, see how this is Iron Man horn cover, and it slips right up in there using the hole for the why won't you fit now? You take your 1/4 and you get it started. I welded a nut on the back side of that so I can tighten it down. Come on now, people's watching. That ain't gonna rattle. It's in there. I could have trimmed that up, but it's all black. You won't see it. Do you see it? Alright. So next step, we gotta stick all this back on there. Like so. Plus putting them, we'll do that one. So it's just gonna slip in there like that. We'll go over the bike and I'll show you. So here we are at the motorcycle. As you can see, that's Lucille, the blue bike part of it. Your stock horn mount location. Your horn, stock horn cover mounting location. Excuse me. So that gives you enough slide in it. Stick that back on. You got your acorn nut. You tighten it back down. Let's put some. Alright. And here's all you need to run is a hot wire. I got a hot wire and I put an inline fuse in it off the battery. That's this one. And if you remember my lowrider, when we hooking up all them, using a relay, anything that pulls a lot of power, it's good to use a relay because it relays the engine. It don't take all the heat. I mean, I notice some people say, well, you can hook this up to your regular horn switch. And that's what we're gonna do, but they hooking it straight in to the compressor without the relay. And the relay just saves you the heat from all that wire and liable to burn up your hot wire to your horn by putting all that juice through it. It takes a lot to run an air compressor. So you remember 87, you got 87, 80, 35, 30, oh, I done forgot. Anyway, you got an 87, that's your hot going to your compressor. Yeah, 80, 87, 85, 86, and 30. I don't know why. Your 30 is your hot coming in. Come on, man, make these good and tight. So, good and tight. That's what she said. And then you got your positive and your negative. And really, your positive, you can hook it up to the relay. And then your horn, there's the hot one in it, to 86. That's your negative ground. You got your ground for your, yeah, that's going to be fun. To hook. Lucky I didn't tighten these up. See, that's why you don't tighten it up. Alright. Negative. Negative to your negative. It says positive and negative on it. There's your negative. There's your hot. And then you take the bracket. Here's a trick. Your two bolts back here goes to the back. Unless you want your horn blowing back on you. Yeah, and you stick this on there like so. What I do with the acorn? Oh no. Alrighty. And that's why you gotta keep up with your stuff. I couldn't see it, but here's what was that. Laying on the side of the kickstand. And now I've lost that metal bar. Well, I be diddly squat. Oh, there it is. Woo, losing it. I done lost it. What are you talking about? Alright.
Well, if you had an extra set of hands, you know what? I'm gonna dab some on that, in that. I mean, alright, that's not tight. You take this one more time, stick it up there, you stick that on there, take your acorn nut, and you tighten it down. Alright, you can still slide that. Alright, everything's plugged up, it should work. Oh, we have to push the right button.
Woohoo! Song of the South. You see the lead light. You recording, right? Yep. The reason you already hear it go woo woo because I ain't got the air horn hooked up. So you need to take the air horn and the nuts provided with that I done lost them because I painted them black and now I can't see them. There they are. Alright. It's supply with your own air horn thingy, air hose, air horn thingy. And you know what? You want to here's where I should have planned ahead to getting that up in there. Alrighty, okay, everybody. I'm gonna shorten this hose in a minute, but I just want to test it, and then I got to clean up, put the wires somewhere. That's the way the radio won't come on. On 3. Wow! Here, Bohannon. Bohannon! What is it, buddy? Oh, whoa, Let's see, I turned the camera on. You ain't gonna sing for us, are you? Good boy. I won't blow it no more. Okay, good boy. All right. So there you have the Moto Horn. It's loud. I don't know. I think it'd be all right. I'm not too pleased with it. My fabrication skills, mine is going to work about bending that back so it'll tuck it in more. But then I probably cause more headaches because then I won't be able to get the nut on because it's being away, and then I leave it like it is. I want to test something. Let me clean these wires up. You see, mailman? Nope. And all this. Well. And we'll be. Oh! Alright, let me clean all this up, and I'm hard hearing right now because that horn is loud. Wow. Hey, we just thought I was through. I just thought I was through. Totally didn't like where it was sitting this away, and it hit my leg, so that's the problem being short-legged, I guess. So here's what I did. I moved the horn. So I just kind of almost said I redneck engineered it because I'm a full-blooded redneck. So with a little bit of some super duper zip ties, I put 3 on there because 3 don't hold it, 4 never would. And being it's black, it sits right there, you can't really see it. If I hadn't pointed it out, you wouldn't have seen it. It's my bike. That's the way I did it. And yeah. So now I got a womp womp. And yeah, that's all I gotta say about that. Howdy. So I'll show you this. This is a tripod, selfie stick, whatever you want to call it. Got it off of the old Jungle website, and yeah, I like it. It comes in handy. It's very sturdy. That's tall, short as it gets, and yeah, you can so you can move all this around. Get you a good handle. Plus, this can Bluetooth to my phone, and I can go take a selfie. So yeah, I wasn't gonna buy a $57 tripod 360 camera thingy. So keep that on so I can see what I'm doing here. Anyway, and it comes with a traveling chase, and got some other little things. There's your phone mount thingy. Yep. Put your phone in. Carrying case. So if I ever want to go take some selfies, I can. Plus, it makes you was on it and you didn't even know it when I was over there. Instead of using my big tripod deal. Anyway, I'm just babbling. Got some blue materials. I was going to do something, but I changed my mind. Check out that video there. That one there. Hit the subscribe button over here. Over there. Over here. Wherever it is. We'll catch you on the next. Later.